In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Wix pricing plans, subscriptions, and memberships. Whether you're running an online business, selling services, or offering memberships, having a well-organized pricing structure can significantly enhance your customers' experience and potentially boost your sales. In this tutorial, we'll take a deep dive into the Wix editor to ensure you know how to effectively manage and personalize your pricing plans. To start, you'll want to access the Pricing Plans page in your Wix editor. First, locate the left sidebar and click on Pages and Menu. This is your gateway to all the different sections and components of your website. Scroll through the list and find your Plans and Pricing page. A simple click on this will open up the editor specific to that page. Here is where the customizations begin. Once you're in the editor, let's talk about the specific plan details you can edit to fit your service offerings. The main feature you'll interact with is the Plans and Pricing element on your page. Give that a click, and then proceed to click on Settings. You've now reached the heart of your pricing plan customization. Under the Plans tab, you'll notice a variety of options that empower you to tailor the plans to suit your business needs. For instance, you can decide which plans are visible to your customers by either showing or hiding specific plans. This is particularly useful when you want to provide exclusive deals or phase out older plans without deleting them. Additionally, you have the flexibility to reorder these plans to suit your strategy. Simply click and drag each plan into the sequence that aligns with your priorities and marketing intentions. This allows you to highlight plans that are best sellers or introduce new offerings directly to your customers. Now, let's discuss the creation of new plans. Wix makes it incredibly simple to expand your offerings. At the bottom of the Plans tab, you'll find an option titled Create New Plan. Clicking there will guide you to set up a new plan from scratch. This is your chance to define unique features, set competitive pricing, and provide detailed descriptions to entice potential subscribers. Remember, these customization tools are not just about structuring prices. They enable you to create a more professional and attractive presentation of your services, which can help build trust and improve customer retention. Tailoring your pricing plans with these steps will not only give you full control over how your products and services are perceived, but also provide your audience with clear, detailed options that cater to their needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you take your Wix pricing plans to the next level. Be sure to explore each option and find the best configurations that work for you and your business.